Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming whether your PC boots in UEFI or legacy BIOS, and note if the disk is GPT or MBR, because cloning choices depend on that. Next, attach the target external drive. An SSD is ideal, and make sure important files elsewhere are backed up, not on the target. Once done, fetch a trusted disk imaging tool and a matching Windows 10 ISO, and plug in a stable USB power source. These actions let you begin cloning with minimal interruption. Open your chosen imaging tool and pick the system disk as source and the external drive as destination. Choose sector by sector if you need an exact replica, otherwise use Intelligent Clone to skip free space. If the target is smaller, resize partitions during cloning or clone only system partitions, and make sure the EFI and recovery partitions are included for UEFI systems. Once cloning finishes, use the Windows 10 ISO to create a WinPE or recovery USB. So shut down the PC, change firmware boot order to prioritize the external drive, and boot from it to verify Windows starts and all applications function. This confirms your clone is usable. If it won't boot, use the recovery USB to repair the BCD or EFI partition, run chkdsk to fix disk errors, and SFC to repair system files. Once repaired and validated, label the drive, set a cloning cadence for updates, and store the backup securely so you can restore quickly when disaster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.